what you want to do is...
Jug, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. I did take some video, because my digital camera has video, but I haven't looked through the videos yet, but the videos I took were like a panoramic view of it.
Mm-hmm.
So I like your idea of going back and taking like little snippets of video from different places that are interesting for a specific theme or reason, I guess.
Uh-huh.
So, like, it would be kind of like basically a field trip, like go to stop one, and they would ask I would ask some questions about, what kind of rock is this? How do you know? What's your evidence? That sort of thing. And then they would, it would almost be like they were walking the trail, but stopping in different spots.
Right.
Okay.
From the workshop, what I took away from the workshop is how to expand your classroom outside of the four walls, the containment of the four walls. We did that through developing these virtual field trips.
It seems like what we need is an order of operations in the field.
Mm-hmm.
We need, you look at something, you look at, this big picture, what next? What do you want to focus on, and how to go about that, and how to record down your ideas and such. That's tricky because, how I learned how to do it was from watching other people do it and going and actually doing it through repetition, really, going out to the field and being posed with a lot of data and weeding out the data that's not really necessary. Question. I don't know.
Thanks, you're so helpful. No, actually, I think what you just said was it's something that we all did when we did this stuff in college, and my problem in part is that trying to remember how I learned to do this stuff. And like you said,
Right.
You watch other people do it, and then you have to do it over and over and over again in different situations, and what's important and what don't I have to worry about. And I want to be able to give my students that experience, but obviously in a much smaller time span and in a much more, in some ways, controlled environment, just because, the weather's turning bad and we aren't going outside that much anymore.
Mm-hmm.